Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate tiramisu mousse. It's a lovely sweet treat, no bake, just these 4 ingredients. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. So to me, a tiramisu equals mascarpone, so this is just a lovely whipped layered dessert with mascarpone. So we've got that. I am going to use this cream. Just use heavy double whipping cream, any cream you can whip into whipped cream, that is what you want to use. And this dessert is low carb, keto friendly, sugar free, because I'm using stevia, but you can use your sweetener or sugar of choice if you're not following low carb keto. And for chocolate, I've got this 85% dark chocolate from Aldi, which we are going to use to incorporate into the mousse. So let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start by pouring a cup of cream into the bowl. And we'll whisk it until it's just starting to thicken. There you go. I've got beautiful whipped cream starting to form, and so now we'll add in the other ingredients. Starting with stevia, go for 2 to 4 tablespoons, just depends how sweet you want it. I've gone for 2, that's perfect for me. And next, the mascarpone. I'm adding half of this tub, so it's about 125 grams of mascarpone going in. Okay, and we'll just blend that till it's nice and creamy. And there you go, look at that beautiful creamy mousse, and now we'll just layer it up. Now I'm going to use this glass container to layer everything up in, so I've got it popped over here. And first I'm going to pop half of that lovely mascarpone mixture at the bottom. And just smooth it out. Then I'm going to grate over a layer of chocolate. So you're going to have a lovely chocolatey layer. I like this as a chocolate tiramisu. If you want, you can always fold a bit of coffee into yours instead. So there you go. I've got a thick layer of chocolate over there. You can see the layers coming together. So now we'll just pop the other half of the mascarpone mixture on top. Nice and gently. There you go, that's kind of perfect, and now we'll just finish it with a layer of grated chocolate. And the last bit of chocolate being grated over my perfect chocolate tiramisu. And just pop it into the fridge for a few hours to thicken up. But there you can have a look at those lovely layers of tiramisu, the chocolate grated in. It's kind of perfect. Yeah, there's no sponge fingers or anything like that in it, or even coffee or marsala, which is usually in a tiramisu. This is my own chocolatey version of layered goodness with mascarpone and chocolate. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give the recipe a try and what you think of it. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions for how you can make this lovely dessert too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.